Hello, it's Nathan Harrison here, just back from the first practice of the 2022 Manx Grand Prix. It's great to see the event back on after the COVID scenario that we've all been facing. But for this year, it's a bit of a new experience for me. I'm on some classic machinery which I've not raced before. So I'm in the classic superbike race for the Greenall Racing team. I hadn't actually swung my leg over the bike before today, so my first time riding it down Bray Hill. But the team reassured me, just go out, enjoy yourself. It's a brand new bike that they've put together, which is a weapon. And that's what I did. I had 2 good steady laps on that, so it's put me in a good place to keep on improving for the rest of the week and keep on learning the bike and gradually getting faster. And I'm also on the Quayside Tyres and Service Centre SC Racing 350 Honda, which was a completely different experience. I was flat out on places I've never been flat out before, but it's great just to ride around the TT course again. It was a proper laugh on the 350 because you go around places and you're like, you shouldn't be going flat out around there, but it's helping you learn the course in a different way for the modern machinery at the TT. But no, it's been a great day. The weather was great, and 4 laps around the TT course was better. So hopefully keep on improving. The weather stays good for tomorrow.